This is your lat and teres major / rotator cuff stretch. For this, you're going to be on your knees with your hand out in front of you. And you're going to pin your hand with your other hand. So grab your wrist with your other hand. We want to externally rotate your shoulder. That means elbow, pointy part of your elbow, pointing down to the ground as best as you can. From there, I'm going to try and pull my shoulder away from my hand, and to increase it, drop your shoulder down to the ground. What's going to want to happen here is your elbow will want to bend to take the strain off of your tricep, teres major, and your lat. We want to have that external rotation and then sink into it, maintaining that external rotation as best as you can. For me, you can see how hard I'm pulling my shoulder, or my elbow is shaking. Breathe into it, pull further away while you maintain that external rotation, right? For about 60 seconds, the breath is really important. As you breathe out, try to squeeze your elbow a little bit more, try to stretch out a little bit more. You should feel a nice stretch through your lat and teres major, through the back of this posterior rotator cuff, right? The reason why we're doing this is because a lot of people, if you've had any sort of shoulder trauma, or you've been doing a lot of pull-ups in maybe not the right way, then this is going to help to open up that space under your armpit and actually restore the line of pull through your lat and your tricep.